yariganie asobotengari butari n'umubwekano onye kubwatari bulyo obosemya gusekero kende gyonsiguro y'emirubiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0
Tumurigeria bwigeta senigi Ensoko TV nigo yabari na weka chinsa isano na isato chiabon mugaso chinga kitwa kuhariganiria maya asenchra yo wengi karansike urabutamiri teranda yana ndemo nyaraba tunyara somtanda Facebook YouTube tunyara tugusanga nabego kumanyenya egari yari agendete kwenekiwa kuro chingo iliskola inske yensi ya Kenya kwase county ya Kisii weke county ya Nyamira. Togo chaka bene kurase county ya Kisii nigo chindoto cy'umwana Griffin Siriba cyo kubumoa kiri bono nigo chirange kurima maiga yenka yaye gosinyo kumuira se skuru ya Nyambaria abwasarangetiwe maiga yo gukora byasa matemwa akegizea kubatikana no butaka obwere burase nyombeyo digenka yaye sokiri na gusaba abantu bo gwancho kuyabanyare komokonya iri nyarega wikena ase skuru yo nakogendera na masomae
Iba ni garuari nga ketalinke tukawon bage kitwa wate beyonce magaika karuara wana gaki amana bakire skuru bamanyira bokon timbo atikende nkubankuba kurende babiri bagosoma umwari munabutari obeire bakumwigirira se skuru akinendo okorira amatemo itire orangirigwe skuru ya Nyambari timbo atikende ono mwana yange te skuru yingana kwatama
abere ngosomera bokon ase skuru ya Magina One agora matema grade 9 anyo 55 na achire kugolie kwende pathway ku social sciences ande ngo chunte de ko somero boloya asabiru ndugwansi ga kora anche nkonya ndenya gukora masomo anenkiranye ndoto ya
Gani ndagire bakonyoro bokomu bakolie kore kese isasirete no mwana omuyo anje ta masomo no mwana obwate tabie ngiya
umwana oyo niga umwana onyate ko bagwekanya niga kunyaka ukagosoma nomokia na bakora umukia sana wano niga kuburia okonya korwa sonde bwensi uyo ramororera amabera erinderi anyare ko bakagwikera ebintu biri biganeti anyare ko bakagojoina ase skuru ya Nyambari
Simba arati onde ubwate kende tabatali nkubasaba mokonyo umwana oyo anyora masomo aye Elindaje ko tokonya nabo turanyoro goja kobe gava na yende goje myakere mutu sobo mbali kuenyara eseke nyoreke sakoru problem nero tabuga atikende babuga atikende bara mo support so I want to ask kaki ko muranche gusina Nyamira yaito ase muabeta omwana urata to bokonya
Nabaigo Charles Sayenda Yoromo County Land Register kurwase county ya Kisii nigabo boliri abantu bonse anene kigima boncholia banyale bakorwange n'ekipara nabaigo batike kwagacha amalimari ya serikali aywarange nase kipara machito muligeria turanyara chinkwana chiae Charles.
We've been having some disputes here and there and some counties are fighting with the national government. But the Kisii County is privileged to have the right administration right away now with the national government speaking from the same script, especially matters to do with land. And I'm not here to propagate our Governor Simba's idea, but he really believes in the public land. Honorable Janda is a protector and defender of the public land. And I am here to stand in solidarity as my sole business number one. Affordable housing, you understand where we are coming from, the Nyanchon land, is that we are viciously protecting and recovering that which was lost. And people of Kisii County, because I'm on media, I want to believe, let me kindly pass my kind word to every community member next to that government institution. Umekuja, umejenga hapo karibu, na unajua hii ni shamba ya serikali. Once always government, never government. No matter how violent the community is. I know Commissioner will have to address that issue. Our people have seriously grabbed the public land. Seriously grabbed public land. Our people have seriously encroached onto public land. Encroaching is different from grabbing. You know, unalima ukipanda miti. Grab is when you have the records relating to land, and that is immoral. This was done way back in the 90s by our political class, that he was supposed to be the custodian and protector of public land. And that's why we have very many cases in this town. And those cases, especially for public land, revolves around a few individuals who wielded power that time. Let this message go down deep to everybody that is occupying public land, that one day, whatever development you are doing on that land will come down. I think you saw it from Nairobi. And I will want to tell the political class, kindly, let's talk to these people so that we have an harmonious way of handling and handing over these public utilities for public space. Kisii is shrinking. Somebody came here and I heard he saying a few years to come, Kisii is going to be a village. Why? We have developed all over. We have no space for development because we have grabbed, even the roadsides are all developed. So shameful. Let us go back to the roots. Let us go back to our original development plans and recover everything that was public land.
Nabigo manchito murigiria tugusika mutwe niga amateye makuru ase county ya Migori yasokire na gusaba bokoniga nigo bona basoira se mitandao na kubika kibice cya yaroro nabigo asigatie bitaseni asiba bolire onde bwensura nyarega kumorora anyareka wikera na asigitaseni nako ripoti ya banyare bakonyora amateye yabo.
Kwa tukikaa na yeye hapa kwa muda wa mwaka moja. Amekuwa ni mgonjwa, nimejaribu kumtibu na kadiri ya uwezo wangu. Amekuwa mzuri kidogo. So tumekaa na yeye vizuri. Ilipofikia last week on Thursday alitoka kitu saa 4 hivi kwenda Stella kama matembezi ya kawaida. So tulimngoja kama muda wa dakika 30 hakurudi. Ndio tukashikwa na hofu, tukaona wacha tutoke tuanze kumtafuta. Tulimtafuta hiyo siku yote kwenda Uriri, Stera, Kakrao, tukatembea mpaka tukafika mpaka Kisii, tukatafuta hatukumpata. So tuliamkia kesho yake tukaendelea hivyo tangu hiyo siku. After 24 hours ndio nikaenda polisi, Mkuyu police station, niko na OP hapa. Nikaenda, nikaripoti, nikapatiwa OP. So nikapeleka picha yake. Nikachapisha pia makaratasi ya kumtafuta posters, ndio nikasambaza kila mahali. So tumekuwa na juhudi za kumtafuta kila siku na atatujulisha, atatupigia